Hey everyone, if you own a Toyota 4Runner, Sequoia, Tacoma, or Tundra, listen up. There's a new Toyota bulletin out, and it's not a recall, so you won't get any letters in the mail. This is official, but it's a technical service bulletin, not a safety recall. Here's the deal. If you have a recent Toyota 4Runner, Sequoia, Tacoma, or Tundra from around 2018 to 2023, and you've added a lift kit, big off-road tires, or brush bars, Toyota says those mods can mess with your pre-collision system and dynamic radar cruise control. But why do these modifications cause problems? When you install a lift kit, it raises the height of your vehicle, which changes the angle at which the radar sensor is pointed. Larger off-road tires can also alter the ride height and the way the vehicle sits, further shifting the sensor's position. And if you add a brush bar or other accessories to the front, you might partially block the radar sensor or camera, or even reflect signals in unexpected ways. These changes can misalign the radar, narrow or shift its field of view, or cause it to pick up false readings. The system might think there's an obstacle when there isn't, or it could miss something that's actually there. Sometimes the sensor gets blocked entirely so it can't see the road ahead at all. That means the radar might not work right, and you could get all sorts of warning lights, or the systems might activate when you don't want them to. Toyota's fix? They actually want you to consider permanently disabling those systems if your mods are causing issues. But heads up, once a dealer disables them, they're off for good unless you swap out the whole radar unit. This isn't covered under warranty, and you'll need to sign a consent form at the dealer. A lot of owners just try cleaning mud, snow, or condensation off their sensors. Some folks disable PCS temporarily in the car's menu, but it usually resets when you restart. If you want a permanent fix, the dealer's your best bet, but remember, you'll lose those safety features for good unless major work is done later. So what should you do? Clean your sensors first. Now let's talk about what people are saying online about this TSB. In Toyota forums, Facebook groups, and YouTube comments, there's a lot of debate. Some owners are frustrated that their safety features are affected by simple mods, while others are relieved there's finally an official solution, even if it means losing PCS and DRCC. Many share tips about cleaning sensors or using temporary menu disables, but plenty warn that these fixes don't last. There's concern about insurance and resale value if safety systems are permanently disabled, and some folks argue that Toyota should offer better sensor calibration for lifted trucks. Others mention dealers aren't always aware of the TSB, so bringing a printed copy helps. Overall, the community is split. Some prioritize off-road mods, others want to keep every safety feature. If you're dealing with this, you're definitely not alone. Try disabling PCS in your settings. If warnings keep popping up after mods, talk to your dealer about this specific bulletin, TSB 002620. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop your questions or experiences in the comments below. Stay safe out there.